So I'm on the Ohio River at Wheeling, West Virginia, and there's a massive river barge that's going under the historic suspension bridge. Well, actually, that's going under some other modern bridge, but I'm the one that's standing on the suspension bridge and trying to capture this beauty. Also, just to give a picture, this is the suspension bridge. That's my cousin. This is a car that's going by. Hello. A little old person. There's another car coming from this side on the bridge. And here comes the barge. I don't see a single soul on the big deck, of course. This is the beauty. I mean, this is the kind of barge that you see in a movie, like a Bourne movie or a Bond movie. There's something happening on the bridge. The police is chasing him, and as the last few feet of the barge go by, either your Bond or Bourne jump onto it real quick and make their getaway. So it's freaking awesome. I can tell you this is fantastic. That's running. I'm gonna carefully. This is going to be crazy. My phone out. I'm actually gonna go right above the barge. I think